You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute. And
it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session. Wow.
$250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom. Right there.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. If you're here with me in the YouTube Kick or X chat, go ahead, say what's up. Let's see who's with us. Hey, man. What up, Guar? Guar. Kaz, Trading Mindset, Gerardo, Man Cave, Psych Mad. What's up, Ben? What you doing in here? Did you get lost? What are you doing in here, player? Killian, JPY, Dane, SP, D Biggs, Omega, James, what up? Dustin, SW, J Prowse, Cube Q, Uncle Mark, Prime Cap, what's happening? What is going down? Down the market a little bit. Market's going down a smidgies. Hegseth talking right now. Wonderful. Super dope. Love that guy. The Secretary of War. We got a jam-packed schedule today. It all begins with the continuing and initial jobless claims that are coming out of the bottom of the hour. Also released alongside of that, we're going to get the New York Fed Services Business Activity, Philly Fed Business Outlook, So that should be interesting. Then at 8:35, 5 minutes after that, we're going to hear from John Williams, who's a voting member of the Fed. At 9:15, we'll get the industrial production and manufacturing production for March. Industrial production, manufacturing production, capacity utilization. And then we are going to hear from Mr. Stephen Mirren at 10:15. So there you go. That's what we got on the schedule today. I have, I got new funded seat accounts. Let me switch over to those bad boys. Hold on 1 second. Funded sheet. Set these all up here. I love the copy trader in trade seat. Bang, there we go. All right, so we have our funded seat accounts ready to go. Tradeify Lightning funded accounts are done for the day. I'm pretty much done for the day in TPT. I could hit a little bit more if I need to, whatever. And then my alpha accounts are 1 day away from passing, so I can pass them today. And that's pretty much it. That's what I'm working with over here. That's pretty much it. I think. I'm missing something. Pretty sure that's all I got. ES at all-time highs. Gold is pumping. US bond also good. What the hell is happening? Everything up. Fundies out the window. Everything up. Duh. Thought you knew, man. Buy everything. Deploy capital everywhere. I mean, I wouldn't say that metals are up. They're kind of just tossing around. Did you go out and do anything fun in the new Rari yet? Just driven it. That's fun in and of itself. Just driving it is fun. OnlyFans or trading? Better idea, OnlyFans and trading. Yes. Feels like I'm about to take a massive DMT hit and go fall in an Egyptian lair and start talking to mummies with the last song. Nice. Very, very descriptive there. Sounds like you're speaking from personal experience a little bit. Maybe. Possibly. Possible. Hey man, are you feeling better? I feel better every day, baby. Thank you for asking. Every day I feel better. Made it another day. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens today on these jobless claims coming out in 19 minutes. Let me go ahead and do a channel points gamble here. So like John Williams style. Pass on that one. That's better. Let's do this. 8. All right, I'm gonna do a big one here. Go nuts. All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Wait, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna fix something here. And there. We're back. What is this music? Oh my God. I need something way better than this. What is going on? Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. It was relaxing? Fuck that shit. Let's get wild. Looks like everybody's sleeping in today, huh? Or everybody just got creamed on yesterday. What happened? Good Lord. They tried to short all-time highs, probably. Probably what it was. Ten minutes until we figure out if the market's gonna give us a chance to trade it. Bottom of the hour. Exciting. Stream on weekends too? No, I do not. This is a little bit crazy. We are pushing up a little bit here. Do. 6 more minutes. 6.5 more minutes, baby. 6.5 more minutes. Chris, I've been using Bookmap and I've yet to figure out what the numbers on the left of the current price mean. Do you have any idea? The left of the current price. Wait, I don't know what you're talking about. Left of the current price? Talking about this? Right here? Last trade. The last trade. I don't get it. Red is bid, green is offer, yellow is mid. I don't know. All right, let's see if we can make it crack off on funded seat. Make sure I'm in the right instrument. We are. Yeah, this market is waiting for the news to come out. Looks like it wants to hold these lows at 365. You know what I mean? Where's my box? Yeah, looks like it wants to hold this low area. Yeah, have a trade. Need a retest of them lows? What, like one? Yes. Sounds about right. Seems fair. Chart looks a lot messier than usual. Okay. Okay. What chair are you using? Are you trolling? Talked about it yesterday. So much. All right, inside 2 minutes. Let's go. Inside 2 minutes. To me, is looking strong, but let's see what happens up at the VWAP here. Today's the last Globex stream of the week, too. Amazon's just been going straight across. Microsoft trending up, Meta trending up, Nvidia, Apple, Tesla, Google all trending up. What's up, G-Trader? All right. Here we go. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Good luck, everybody. Channel points have been gambled. Not that many channel points gambled. Not bad, though. Good luck. Lower than expected for the claims, 207 versus 213. Philly Fed coming in hotter than expected. So we tapped in the VWAP a little bit. Market is selling off a little bit. Coming back down to that previous 4-hour low area. That's at 408. So might be thinking about building a long as we approach that area. Perhaps going lower than 400 here. All right, I'm in the longs here. I think that we can hold down here around 408. Looking for this to hold and reject down here. Looking for this to bounce out of this area. Right now holding. Roku has passed 100 million households. That's crazy. W Roku. Nice push. See if we can cover into 25s at all. 21s, 23s. Nice push up here, getting some fills. I like to get a little bit more push here, 22, 23. Couple more ticks. There we go. Oh, couple more. There we go. Filling up a little bit more here. Nice push. And out. Nice trade.
Another one. Headshot.
Sweet. That was fun. Maybe I'll catch that one with me. I mean, that was classic. Straight to the fucking face. Straight to that previous 4-hour low. Nice rejection. Biggity bang, baby. I wouldn't be going for the short here, no. That was about as textbook as you can get. Call for the 408 reversal. 20 handle bounce. Bang. 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 Feds William is speaking. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. This is fucking talking nonsense. My VWAP, 430. 430, yeah. 430. 430. How many days in a row will NQ be green? 70,000. $400 million. Up only. Homie's got the whistles in this song. You hear this? This guy's blowing the whistle. Classic, I'd say. I haven't seen him in here today. Oh, there he is. What's up, Richard? How are you? I didn't even see you in here. Cracking, baby. I was looking at my Apex EOD PAs. It's showing my accounts will be canceled in 29 days. Did they cancel a new EOD PAs after 30 days? No, dude. No. It would be impossible to get 6 payouts in 30 days. That's crazy, down. That's crazy. It's a 10-year subscription. My connection went out the second the news hit. What happened? You missed my first biggest, best trade in the last 2 weeks, man. What a trade. I don't think there's an activity either on BAs. Let me see. Do 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 do. Bam, bam, bam. Ah, man. Let's see. Inactivity. Yeah, it's 30 days. You must record at least 2 trading days with $50 or more net profit with every rolling 30-day period. There you go. It continuously looks back at the most recent 30 consecutive days. If there are fewer than 2 qualifying profit days, the account becomes eligible for inactivity closure, which then goes into a 15-day period of inactivity. There you go. The more you know. So trade your accounts, baby. What will you have for lunch today? What do I have today? I think I'll have a chicken penne pasta. That's what I have today. Can't get my rhythmic back up. Have you tried putting on music to get your rhythm back up? This song should get your rhythm back up, baby. Straight back down. Look at that. Who took the Ripsy reversal? I was like, nah, I wouldn't take that. That's why I'm not taking it. Somebody did. Somebody made some money on that thing. Viagra for rhythmic? Yes. Quesadillas? I wish. Wish I could have quesadillas and what would be good with quesadillas? Quesadillas, chicken and waffles, nice steak. The guy with 100 contracts? Maybe. I hope so. I hope somebody in here is trading 100 and winning. What's the best sushi in Vegas? There's a good omakase place we went, Sushi Kame. There's a place at the top of the Fountain Blue that only seats like 8 people. It's supposed to be really good. You know? Fed my daughter's chicken and waffles last night. Damn, I'm jealous. You know what's funny is when Ferrari Phil came into town, we both ordered chicken and waffles at the restaurant we went to. And they're fucking amazing. Because it's at the Wynn, and the Wynn just doesn't miss. Let me tell you, these were not just your regular run-of-the-mill chicken and waffles. The waffle batter has spicy jack cheese in it, so it's the savory sweet waffle with jack cheese in the batter. And then lightly breaded chicken with hot honey syrup. Oh, just about bust a fucking nut on that thing. Put some extra jack cheese in the batter, if you know what I mean. How do you get gold on Bookmap? You ask nicely. You say, please Bookmap, can I have gold? You have to have the Comex subscription. And then you have to type in GCM6. That's it. There you go. And get all the juice. The Indian song you're playing right now reminds me of the gurus in the net to make $1 million a day. Do they actually, dude, are there actually Indians out there being like, you can make $1 million? There can't be. That's ridiculous. Are there actually Indian scammers out there telling you can make $1 million? Or are they talking about 1 million rupees? Because $1 million in India goes quite a far way, I've heard. Cheese on a waffle. Brother, Next time you come out to Las Vegas, go to Terrace Point Cafe, get the chicken and waffles, use code RIPS. Trust me. Chicken and waffles, never had that? What planet have you been living on, James? Chicken and waffles is a staple, brother. There's a whole restaurant called Roscoe's. That's their staple. It's like saying, hamburger? Is that made with like a ham? What's a burger? Hamburger? I gotta try one of those. There's literally a restaurant called Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. Do I yell the code at the waitress? You shout it. I wouldn't yell it. You just shout it. When she comes to the table and she says, "Hi, good morning. How are you guys doing?" You go, "Code RIPS!" Ah! And then she'll calm down. She'll say, "It's you. I've heard so much about you." Code RIPS! Yeah, it gives you a big discount. Just try doing that, you know. You could try screaming it at the Target self-checkout. When the attendant's walking over to you when you're checking out with your 40 ounce of Old English, you just shout, "Code RIPS!" She's coming to check your ID. She might just let you walk out for free. And if she doesn't, just run. Because she's trying to time you, your marathon speed. Just grab the OE and run. Don't pay, run, it's free. Heard you in the Asian session talking about Alpha. Bought an account, passed it today in London, ready for no fucking consistency rule. Let's go. I'm hoping you bought the advanced account because those are the ones without consistency. Those are the only ones without consistency. Please tell me you bought the advanced account. I'll be so upset if you bought the zero account. Don't tell me you bought the zero account because those have consistency. Okay, good. Save that one. That was close. I was nervous. Is consistency a bad thing? Well, I mean, it just kind of paints you into a box. And especially when you have big trending days like today, or I'm sorry, like yesterday and the day before. The great thing about Alpha is that you can just trade and you don't have to worry about like, oh, if I continue winning, I'm going to get punished. You know what I mean? That's what I love about Alpha the most. And then you take all of the money that you made from that day, that session, and then you bring it to the next day as drawdown, which is another fucking sick thing. You know what I mean? There's no daily loss limit. You just have a fuck ton of drawdown. Like right now, my Alpha accounts, I think have $18,000 worth of drawdown. Yep. $19,200 worth of drawdown in my Alpha accounts. I like that. Gives me so much room for activities. Rubes, I like the idea of TPT daily payouts, but never dealt with trailing drawdown. How do you deal with those with your style of trading? I only trade micros when I'm in the trailing drawdown. That's the facts. I only trade in micros in the trailing drawdown, and I only use the 50K accounts because the 150Ks are too big and the fucking 4,500 trailing drawdown. I think I've tried the 150Ks a couple times, but I haven't had much luck. The funded seat accounts that I'm trading right over here, those are 150K accounts, but when you get into the funded stage, just like TPT, they have daily payouts, but there's no trailing drawdown. Bang. Unders win? Okay. Let me pay the unders then. Is it the Alpha Futures Advanced plan that you're talking about? Yes, that is correct. That is correct. All right, let's do another one. Let's do 9. All right, 10 minutes is fine for this one too. Great, I guess it won't be TBT. Don't like that you have trailing and funded, then it comes off in live. Thank you for that nugget. Well,
Funded seat is exactly the same as TPT, daily payouts, all the good stuff, but then there's no trailing drawdown in funded. Just saying. Bareback.
All right, we're back. We're back. Bit of a little tussle down there, huh? A little bit of a tussle. Just a little tussly. It's going down in the DMs, baby. Just a little tussle. Do 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 do. Delicious. We're rejecting at the point of control right now, 410, coming back down. I feel like we're just gonna go back into the zone of like 377 over her and get a little boink somewhere in here, get some liquidity, find some strong bidders, and then send it. Because that's what the market loves to do lately, is just go straight up. Straight up. So we'll see what happens. Anything can happen. Can you tell us more about Funded Seat? Would you recommend it? Yeah, obviously. Why would I not? What's your question about them? It's like TPT, but no trailing drawdown when you're funded. Daily payouts. It's goated. You know? Goated, brother. Good morning, Rips. Let's rush it today. Rush what? What are we rushing? What do you mean? Crush. My bad. Well, okay. Better than being premature with our evacuation. We are going to retest 392. You bastard buyers hold 400. Okay. Okay. Alpha Advanced 50K max payout. Let me look. I think it's, yeah, 15,000 per account. Yeah, there you go. It doesn't cap. Any account size, any advanced account, any size is 15,000 per payout period. So you could get $45,000 payout. It's dank. I like him, dude. Rips, the prop website FAQ reading streamer. That's me. I'm helping all the illiterate children across America and beyond. You're on the zero fundeds now, day 3. Nice. Crush it, baby. Let's go. Remember, it's a 40% consistency on those bad doggers. Had an 800 plus day yesterday, so I have to play slow. Yeah. 350 today and sitting still. There you go, baby. Run it up. Run them jewels. See, that's the thing is like on the advanced accounts, you don't have to think like that. You can just fucking trade, baby. Ribs, you run B80G? Yes. Every time. Talked about it multiple times. Probably over 100 times now. But yes. We are pushing back up here. Big buyers. Big buyers. Got first payout yesterday. I think he rips How to Scalp a Pokemon. The dude who codes had a baby, so just gotta wait. You'll know when it comes out, I promise. I'll shout it from the mountaintops when it comes out. Auto subbed, huh? I don't get it. What does auto subbed mean? Good call, Richard Harris. Let's go, baby. What particularly are you wanting to see on the chart in order to enter a trade? Stick around and you'll find out. Alpha Futures microscopic rule says you need to hold for at least 2 minutes. Is that true? It's only to stop bad actors. If you are a regular trader who scalps, trade. Simple. If you're trying to use the sim fills to exploit the prop firm, do not use them. Simple as that. Ribs, how's the Summerlin area? Thinking about moving there. It's amazing. It's incredible. It is incredible. Too nervous, adding price and going the wrong way to my positions. Yes. Very few of my trades are over 45 seconds. I've never had any trouble. In fact, a lot are under 15. Exactly. No problem. Nobody cares. It's only if you're trying to exploit the firms. Question, Mr. Rips. At what amount of positive net profit from props should you begin to buy and trade 20 accounts all at once? I don't know. It's really up to your own financial situation. You know what I mean? I can't dictate how your financial situation is. Rips, do you believe day traders can have long-term alpha? Sure. Anybody can. 100%. When you have 2 accounts trying to pass evals, would you recommend trading one at a time or copy trade both? Depends on how far along you are in your trading journey. If you're going to trade them separately, I would only buy one evaluation account. Why even have 2? You know, why even have 2? What's the point? Just have one. Is there a preferred time you trade your personal? When I'm feeling like in the pocket. But when there's a lot of movement and activity, I'm looking for volatility. Volatility in this market has found its way in all certain different areas of time and price. So. My financial situation is fine. My bills are paid and I'm doing well, but I want to scale into these accounts rather than just YOLO in search of maximum income. I mean, to be honest, like TPT, funded seat, and alpha are probably like the way to go if you're trying to maximize your income. You know what I mean? Especially alpha, in my opinion. I don't really see a situation where somebody who's a prop firm trader is not going to be able to maximize their income with alpha. $45,000 in a single week of trading is gnarly. That is like, dude, you do that for 3 weeks straight, you got a fucking $135,000 bankroll for a live account. Put $50K into a live account, put the rest away for taxes. Fucking solid plan, brother. Alpha has no pay. $45,000 a week in the advanced accounts. $45,000 in a week. And you can just trade the accounts, bro. Just trade the accounts. Just fucking trade them. Don't have to worry about consistency, trailing drawdown, daily loss limit. You just fucking trade them. Just trade those fucking accounts. It could not be like more. You want the most realistic trading experience? Bang. That is assuming people. No, but he's asked, dude, he just said maximum potential. I'm trying to be realistic here. Because I'm not going to sit here and be like, whoa, maximum potential. Go in TPT, get $50,000 a day. That's $250K in a week. That's ridiculous. He was saying like realistic maximum potential. And he's talking about buying 20 accounts. Or just buy 3 for $447 when you pass them. You get $45K a week. Be a rock star for 3 weeks in a row. That's $135K. I found another YouTube channel about Artemis. Nice. Awesome. Where would you park it away for tax purposes? Money market is what I'm thinking. No, T-bills. T-bills. Literal guarantee. T-bills, dude. I'm dead ass getting in right off open since the only time of day you can actually trade lately. If you want to wait too long, you get lured to sleep. That's funny. You know how I don't get lured to sleep? I buy a W1. I'm never letting that go. What about dividend product ETFs? I mean, they're not guaranteed. They can go down. They can fluctuate. What is a conspiracy theory you 100% believe in? The Grove. Yeah, Bohemian Grove. What's up, Cyborg? What time is it where you are right now? New Bob Lazar S4 doc is good. Nice. I've seen a lot of people trying to refute that. A lot of people like going out to where S4 is supposed to be and not being able to see it. 11 in Melbourne. What are you sipping on right now? 11 p.m. Sipping on anything? Skulls? You mean Skull and Bones? Skulls is a movie with Pacey from Dawson's Creek in it. Isn't it? Doesn't Skulls have Pacey in it? Pacey and fucking Paul Walker. Sipping on tea. Nice. Dawson's Creek was epic. Yeah, Katie Holmes was a banger. Katie Holmes was... Bully Bear says trading is such a fucking trip. I had evals on Lucid, which I could not stop taking stops, and as soon as I switched to paper, I can't stop winning like WTF. Yep, welcome to trading. This rip off the lows to new all-time highs has been wicked. Yes. I mean, this could very well, as we've seen lately, this could very well be the absolute dead-ass low of the day. right here. That could be it. We might never see those prices again. Or we fuck everybody today. Everybody's fine, like, fine, I'll go long. Right? Who knows? You never know. The moment that everybody flips long, they'll be like, psych! Tricked you. Gotcha, bitch. Finally, you decided along, did you? Gotcha. Suck my dick. You never know. Those market makers are devious. Feds William is still talking. Something about taxes. Ribs, I'm doing well, but I do not have a mechanical strategy. I'm just going by feeling. I don't know how to feel about it. Can you please shed some light on it? I can shed some light on it. I don't want to cast shade on your light. Your light lights me up. If you have something that's working, we have a bunch of long form videos about this in the psychology section, but if you have something that's working, keep doing it. Watching you has helped me refine my order flow strategy. Best day ever yesterday. 6K. Let's go, Rob. Bang. Bang. What's your gut tell you the market will do today? Nothing, because I've been wrong so often. So I'm just going to try to take it slow and size down a little bit today. But can I stick to that? Let's find out live today on the Rip stream. I blew my evals yesterday longing the only significant pullback of the day. Yep, sounds about right. I mean, dude, I've been long the last 2 days and got fucked on. It's crazy. This market will drive you nuts. This market has literally been a chauffeur for my ball sack. You know what I mean? This market has been a chauffeur for my ball sack. Because it's just been driving me nuts. Overs or unders, guys? Oh. Overs or unders? I think it's the overs. The unders got fucked on. All right. Overs win. Right? I gotta check. I don't want fucking any good predictors here. Wow. Yep. It's the overs. All right, let's do the big prediction of the day. The big one. The big one. Let's leave it there. All right, let's try this. Bang. It's crazy when you say other traders, I lost money going long in this bullshit market, and they're like, how longing at the wrong time, obviously. Yep. I mean, dude, even if you're like, I traded 4 contracts and I got fucking... This is so stupid. It's annoying. I'm like, I hate this market. Rips, do you need a buffer and an Alpha Advance account to take a payout? Nope. It's 5 days of $200 or more. It honestly, like, I mean, dude, out of all of the rules and all of the shit that you guys are all used to now, that's why I keep on talking about Alpha. And this is why they're not a discount firm. And this is why they don't need to be a discount firm, because their rules stand on their own. If you just like trading and you're just trying to trade without being like, oh shit, fuck, hold on, I gotta lose money because I made too much, or like, fuck, I forgot I had a $4 drawdown. You know, like that kind of shit where it's just like, you just want to like wake up and be like, all right, let's just trade these markets. Alpha's your way to go. For real. Alpha's your way to go. I mean that.
If somebody can give me a reason why that's not the case with Alpha, I'd love to hear it. Because I've been searching for reasons of why they're not just like the most pure. And if you're like, well, but they cap you at $15,000 to pay, like, dude, come on. You're not getting that. People who are bitching about that payout, you know, you're not getting that. You probably haven't gotten a payout all year if you're bitching about $15,000 per account per 5-day period. Crazy town. Alpha does use Trade-A-Bait, and they're coming out with Alpha Trader, which is very similar to Trade C, but it's not out yet, but it will be out soon. Does Alpha pay out with crypto? They pay out with, let me tell you. I think I got my payout from Rise or Wise or whatever the fuck it's called. I never remember the fucking names of these stupid things. Okay, so they will pay you out with ACH, Wire, Swift, Wise, or Rise. Bang. There you go. They're letting me select Alpha Trader on the account selection. Wait, already? Wait, hold the phone. Is it out? Oh, no. It says coming soon. You liar. You fucking liar. I may have to give Alpha a try. Dude, I mean, talk about them almost every day. It's the biggest single payout I've had this whole year. $21,000. It was from 5 days of trading. And at one point I had $90,000 worth of drawdown. You know? Rips, you mentioned something about the pinch and grab indicator. How's that going? It's called the pinch and roll indicator. It's pinch and roll. Pinch and roll. Pinch and roll. Rips, you want some ridiculous shit? We are in Germany, are not allowed to trade real money funding. I know that. I know that because we had a German trader in MC who was like a fucking killer. And every single time he was about to get moved to live, he just had to stay unfunded. So, yeah. Ninja or Trade-A-Bait, which is better? That's like saying, would you rather have AIDS or herpes? They're just different. You know? They're just different. We are pushing back up here. We do have 12 minutes till the market opens. Herpes is better? What? How about neither? How about you should have been not a heathen? I've never, ever, ever happened to say this one too. Especially living in San Diego, going to San Diego State. Never once have I ever had an STD. That shit is gross. Gross. Disgusto. Although you can argue that I have had AIDS multiple times on this stream, trading on Trade-A-Baits. Apparently there was like a statistic about San Diego State where it's like 25% of the people had STDs. Is fucking gross, dude. What you guys doing? Rips, Alpha Advanced Plan has EOD drawdown, or is it static? As you build up your account and funded, it becomes static. Like I said, I had a $90,000 drawdown at one point. ASU 1 in 3 people. That's fucking gross, dude. That is disgusting. That is so fucking gross, bro. Oh, man. Does Alpha reject payout if average hold time is below 2 minutes? Wanted to give them a try. I don't think that all of my trades were over 2 minutes when I traded. You can go back and watch my trades. Did not have any issues. Again, that rule is to combat people who are trying to exploit bullshit, right? If you just trade, like I said, if you trade normal trades and you're a trader, even a scalper, you're not going to have issues getting paid out from Alpha. Alpha is as close to a cash account as you can. It's pretty damn close. The only thing that would make it, dude, if they had daily payouts, but then I don't think they could exist. Like I said, there's a give and take for prop firms. They've been around for 6 years. Their rules are good.
I wouldn't want them changing the rules and threatening their longevity in the space. So I like exactly what they're doing. I think it's great. I think it's fair. And like I said, like not having to, one of the things that I personally hate more than anything in prop firms, especially in funded accounts, is consistency rules. I hate those. I think they're stupid. Listen, hold on. I think they're stupid for me as the trader. Makes sense for the firm, right? They need that for the firm. In the same way that we need payout caps, because there's too many dipshits that went around gaming the prop firms, and that's why we have all these fucking rules now, because dipshits were gaming them. Sucks. Takes a few bad apples to spoil the whole bunch. I just bought Lifetime Bookmap. What data feed do you recommend? Rhythmic. They are. You should be able to make what you want on a trade. Yeah, but I mean, again, it's to block bad actors because there's so many fucking bad actors out there. And I get it. Like, dude, systems are meant to be exploited, right? If you were a computer person, you understand that. Systems are meant to be exploited. There's always going to be people trying to exploit systems. So I get it. But this is why we have all these fucking shitty rules now. This is why, like, you know, if it was like, if everybody was like honest about their shit and they weren't like hedging and fucking working with groups and all this bullshit, we'd still have the old school prop firm rules. But the problem is that prop firms became popular, so you have groups that try to exploit them, and now we have all these rules. So are we taking out that triple top and heading to London high, or are we finally pulling back to the... That's a great $1 million trillion question right there. Which prop firm you can recommend for slaves in Germany? Huh? What? I don't get it. Why would you say slaves in Germany? Doesn't make any sense. The only thing I can guarantee is the screen will always move to the left. Correct. The price will move to the right. We are slaves because we can't trade real funded accounts? I mean, TPT has a great sim environment. Alpha has a great sim environment. These are all great. I don't know why you'd say slaves, though. It's a very negative word. Who has a 5-second rule? That sounds so fucking dumb. Well, I mean, your mom catches a mushroom stamp on her forehead if she takes my dick out of her mouth for more than 5 seconds at a time. Does that qualify, Richard? It's not a hard and fast rule, but I just kind of count. I go 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. And I just give her a big little right across her forehead. She doesn't mind it, though. I feel like sometimes she plays around with the 5-second rule just to see. We must pay 45% tax on prop payouts. Don't you think that's a bit so slavey? I mean, I think there's, as an American, that word has much more negative connotation than I think what you're giving it credit for. You know what I mean? Time rules. Time is so fucking stupid. Time has nothing to do with trading. Is it a question or a statement? No, you're fine. I get what you're saying, but you know, you're an adult. You can move. If you don't like being in Germany, move. Otherwise, be there. That was a frosty PNC. There you go. I think this is a love-hate relationship with Richard and Rips. Maybe. I love Richard. I appreciate that he shows up. I love everybody who tunes in. Whether they're haters or fans or weirdos or cool people, you know. I love everybody who shows up. It's a fun community. Keeps things on their toes. How much taxes you pay in the US? So on my cash account, it's about a 29% effective rate. Which ended up being a decent amount for last year's trading. I'm a German living in New York. Your 45% tax statement, even if you live in Germany, is nonsense. Okay. Feel like I'm just creeping? No. I know you. You have a very distinct name. On a cash count, we pay 27.5%. What, in Germany? Crazy. I am feeling better today. Yes, thank you for asking. Thank you very much. My back is fine now, surprisingly. I don't know if Richard Harris's mom is doing the same. I kind of, what's the term? Blew her back out last night. I was hitting it from the back and destroyed those sidewalls. She turned around and she said, "Stop, you're blowing my back out." I said, "Yes, I am." Kept eye contact the whole time. Carlos' mom might be able to get you citizenship. Where? In which country? She's 90 years old. That's what she was saying. She said, "I'm 90, my hips." Ow. I didn't think she was being serious. You mentioned 26,377 level on Bookmap shows less orders. Wait, when did I don't remember talking about 26. Oh, I talked about it on TradingView. Because it's the midpoint of our zone of liquidity. That's it. That's all. That's the only reason I brought it up. 3 minutes till Boomtown. I didn't talk about it with Bookmap. I just talked about it with TradingView. I'm coming to Vegas in July. Nice. Bring the W1 with you. Be funny you show up with a Matchbox car or whatever. Hot Wheels car. Matchbox. Is Matchbox the thing? Hot Wheels. What's a Matchbox car? Matchbox car. Oh, they do have I had these when I was a kid. Matchbox cars. Those things were sick. Do they still make those? Dude, I totally forgot about this brand. Matchbox was sick. Let's see. Matchbox W1. Let's see. They don't make it. Damn. Matchbox SF90? They don't make an SF90 either? Maybe Matchbox cars are for the poor. That's why I had those when I was a kid. Maybe Hot Wheels has the rights. Hot Wheels SF90. Yeah, see, Hot Wheels can afford the rights. That makes sense. That's why I had Matchbox cars when I was a kid. My parents were like, "Keep your dreams down. You get one of these Matchbox cars." What model is this? It's a Yugo. Wow. You keep your dreams at a reasonable level. Stop being a dreamer in this house. Minimum wage or nothing. You stop dreaming in this household, son. Dude. How funny is that? Matchbox is the poor cars. And I had Matchbox growing up. I remember I had like a Matchbox ambulance. You keep it up, that's where you're gonna be. Ah! Oh man, good times. Wow, we are really pushing up here. My goodness. Wow. I guess, dude, somebody was like, you know what? We're not going to wait for the market today. We're just going to fucking buy the shit. I should have been watching this. I didn't think that we'd have this much movement. 20 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. You can see the actual market time right below the RIPS spinning logo there. If you're not at the right market time, well, then refresh your page, watch at 2x speed, and get it moving. There should be very little delay on this stream. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, and party time! Pulling back to VWAP. Can they pull back to 418? Survey says yes, they can. Wow, what a violent open this is. Holy. They're pulling back. I'm going to go long here. I'm going to put a stop down here way yonder at 375-ish. So I'm long. One contract. I got to stop at 3... Where am I going to be? 368. 368 is where my stop is. 368. I got one contract long. I'm adding another contract at 400. I'm adding another for the break over 405. I'm 3 contracts long. Hold. Hold. Hold the line. Hold the line. S&Ps look like they're holding a little bit too. I'm trying the dummy trade here. Doesn't look like it's going to hold. We might make new lows here. Good Lord. By the hair of my chinny chin chin, can we reclaim 380 here? Watching for a 380 reclaim, perhaps. 380, reclaim, baby. Adding it to the reclaim of 380. Can we reclaim 390? I'm trying to do the retard trade here. Come on, baby. Come on. Just make this the floor. Hook us up one time, baby. If not, we're going to look for lows at like 350. Okay, 380's holding. Can we actually hold above 380? Come on, baby. This could be the gully of despair. Going for 390 now. Can we hold into 400? Holding into 400. Take us all the way to Boomtown. That's the only pullback of the day, right? Right, market? Right. Hook us up, baby. Let's go. Back at the green. We just need to hold above 400 now. Nope. I mean, come on. This has been the market every single day. Why would it stop today, right? Why would it stop today? 400s just need to clear out, and then we go straight to fucking Boomtown, baby. Go, baby. Above 400, keep going. Send it. Fuck all those shorts. Get them right in the face. In the face. Right in the face. All right, let's see. We're teetering right at, yeah, there we go. What do we need to make today on this? We need to make just under $2,000 on this trade. That's what we're looking to make. I guess 400 was the rejection point. We're holding here again at 380. Man, they're aggressively selling this thing too. See if we get back above 380 at all. And then we can meander back to those 400s. Just trying to hold this thing, trying to give it some space, give it some room. Like a crazy ex-girlfriend, give you a little space. Don't worry. Still live in the same town. We can be cordial with each other. It's okay. Stop driving by my house late at night. It's weird. I do have a new girlfriend. I've moved on. It's fine. You can accept it too. All right, we're trying to hold here. The market can just rip dicks off 400 here. That's all I'm looking for. Rip fucking face off 400. Alls I need is just 406. That's alls I need is 406. All I need is 406. And then we're done. Right? Hold on. Carry the one. Actually, I need 407, 408. Can we get 408? Can we get a little bit of motion to the north side here without failing? What do you think, champs?
What do you think? Can we just get a little bit of motion? Back down to 380. It feels like we are kind of double bottoming here. We could actually get motion to like 403, 404, maybe 404. Can we find it in your heart to give us 404 maybe? Doesn't seem like it's that much motion, right? 404. Right. S&Ps are bulling to the top side here. Maybe this will get, nope, just kidding. Oh, God. You know, this market continues to just fuck us in the face super hard. Wait. Maybe. Can we find the juice to reclaim out of this gully of despair and just go for it? Oh my God, we might have been early, but we aren't wrong. Just get on up, back through 380 where the point of control is. God, there's so much fucking pressure now. God damn it. The day where we get all of the fucking courage is the day that we can't get the fucking trade to work. It's a damn shame. All I need is 404. 404 evens and I'm happy. I know it's a very far away from where we are now, but given the profile and everything, it's not that far. All right, we're just gonna sell off completely today, I suppose. Completely and totally. Still holding. Still holding here. We did kind of double bottom at these lows. Maybe now we can go to fucktown on the longs. Maybe. Okay, back into 380. Maybe. Okay, through 380. Okay, showing some promise. Give me 404 on the ticket. Let's get it up there. Come on. Stop trying to pressure these fucking beautiful buyers. They're so gorgeous. They're beautiful motherfuckers at 404. Just get up to 404. Just slam it right to 404, baby. Right there into 404 is all we need. 40 Fizzor. Yes. We got filled a little bit more. Ah, yes. Bang. Never a doubt. Like I said, never a doubt in that position. Never a doubt. Didn't even sweat one time. Knew it the whole time. The whole time. Pure, unfettered confidence. The whole time. Never once was like, yo, this is gonna fuck us today. Nah, not me. Never. Not me. No, sir. Get out your sniper scopes.
Headshot.
Bang, got him. What a move, baby. What a move. I think the key to this market, no bullshit, all the jokes aside, the key to this market is having fucking stops wider than Carlos's mom's ass. Big ass. Great ass. What movie's that from? There you go, Heat. There you go, very nice. Anyway, we got out at the top, obviously, because we're the best trader on YouTube. Duh. Fucking easy game. Scarface, yeah. Michelle Pfeiffer did not really have. She was on cocaine. Yeah, sizing down and using wider stops seems to be the only way to beat this market. Because doing this whole fucking sending it in and scalping and fucking going for big size thing, it ain't working for me. Charlie Law says, I'm on fucking cocaine. Okay. Nice. Nice, man. Who took the Ripsy reversal, by the way? Drop a W in chat if you took a Ripsy reversal. Great ass.
Yeah, look at you guys. Let's go. Fucking geniuses in chat.
Another one.
He's on fire!
Let's go, baby. I feel actually satisfied because I feel like I'm actually turning the corner in this market. Apple and Tesla and Amazon all literally, look at this. You guys want to see the most limp dick in the market right now. Look at this. Hold on, let me turn off all of my drawings and shit. Watch this. Look at Apple right now. Oh my God. Apple, what happened? I think Apple went to onlyfans.com/Tim Cook. Boner killer? Ow, my boner. Why does he even have an OnlyFans, by the way? Isn't that weird? The CEO of Apple having an OnlyFans? Doesn't anybody else find that weird? Damn, you're right. Well, she'll have another Quaalude and love me again in the morning. Does he really? Go find out for yourself. Dude, that's gonna be in your fucking browser history, not mine. Holy shit, there we go. News. Somebody knew something. What is it? Tell me. It's a truth post. My son Baron was short from the top today in his AMP account. And I said to him, son, just hold the short. Let Ripsy get out at 404, but slam that shit. No, I don't know what that is. Nothing yet. Did they release the jobs numbers today? Yes, at 8:30. 8:30 Eastern. And it was a nothing burger. Is that the jobs numbers you're talking about? The jobs numbers? It's every Thursday. Every Thursday, bro. FTC, no, that's not it. What the fuck is the headline? Why? Okay, somebody, you know what? Maybe a fund was closing their long. I'm not joking. Not a troll. Not a troll. Maybe a fund closed their long. Dude, could you imagine just fucking emptying your load on the fucking market like that and being like fucking balls deep long from this, like down fucking, oh my God. Can you imagine being like long from here? And then you just wake up today and you're like, guys, we're gonna do it today. And you just empty your entire load on the market right there. Oh my God. You just drain your entire fucking nutsack on the market right there in that candle. I can't think of any better way to live than that. Fucking just straight unloading, unleashing your fucking load on the market. 1,000 contracts. What would you be up? You guys want to play the home game? Let's see. Let's just say that you were that guy. And you released it like right there. 1,460 points. 1,460 points. With 1,000 contracts, you'd be up 29.2 million. Oh. Hey, babe. You want that house in Nantucket? No, not you, the other one. No. No, number three, get in here. Number 4 is swinging from my balls right now. Yeah, I clicked the button, I made 29 million. Of course, I have 4 women. God, dude, one day. That would be a funny fucking stream. I don't know if I'd be able to keep it from you guys. Like if I had a position that was up that much, and then I just show you guys trading view. It's the funniest fucking thing. Just show you guys trading view, be like, I'm about to close this. Holy shit. I bet your boys that trade big size was in that move. Probably not. No, nah. I really doubt it. I'll find out, but I really fucking doubt it. They'd be messaging me, be like, bro, look at this. Ha ha ha. Nah, I seriously doubt it. I wouldn't want to go viral for that on socials, brother. By the way, we are reversing that move. Oh man, look at, by the way, hold on. Is that my box? It did work. Look at this. I drew this box and we drew liquidity right outside of that box. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Perfect liquidity draw. Bumpers of the candles literally at the bottom of our box. Oh my fuck. That was the trade to take. All right. I'm going to start doing that more often on stream because I feel like it's valuable to some of you people that fucking hate order flow. We'll start doing I'll start calling that out a lot more clearly. But fucking A, that was the juice.
That was the juice right there, huh? That was the first thing I said to Carlos's mom. I said, my God, I would love to draw liquidity from the bottom of your box, baby girl. That was the first words out of my mouth when I saw Carlos's mom. It's crazy too, because we're dancing at the exact midpoint of 370. Dude, this is crazy. Actually nuts. Look at the point of control almost matches up perfectly right there. Wait, hold on. Oh my God, so good, so good. And then we exchanged at the top of the, oh my God. Magical boxes today, huh? Fucking A. Unders win? Okay. You don't have to tell me thrice. By the way, great band, Thrice. Thrice. What a band, huh? What a band. All right, let's do one more prediction here. Actually, no, we'll do a few more. I'm gonna hang out for a little bit. We're having so much fun today. I can finally take a breath. I feel like I didn't have any bad trades today. I just felt in the pocket. En el poch. Poch? How do you say? ¿Cómo se dice pocket en español? Thrice, dude, what a band, huh? What a fucking band. What about Seosin? I saw Seosin live. I saw Andy, what is it? Andy Green? Eddie Green? Andy Green? Bolsillo. Bolsillo. Or is it bolsillo? Bolsillo. Tengo un bolsillo con dos pelotas en mi cuerpo. Anthony Green, thank you. He is so good. Dude, him live, oh my God. He was like beating himself up with the microphone. Bah, bah, fucking crazy, dude. Bolsillo. 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 Tengo un bolsillo con dos pelotas en mi cuerpo. Y dos pelotas con jugoso. Jugoso de mancilla. Got 90K on the unders. Let's go. What do you recommend when you start doubting your trades? I'm in a stage where I keep going break even too early. Smaller size, wider stops is what we did today. Smaller size, wider stops. Smaller size, wider stops. An unshatterable confidence. Which prop got no consistency rule, no max trading days for payouts, EOD, DDD, and funded? The one I've been talking about all stream, Alpha. Alpha, brother. Alpha. Alpha. Oh my God, we're breaking these lows for real, for real. Holy shit. Holy shit. We're actually breaking these lows. Let's see if we can build up some liquidity down here. I want to just see if my theory works. I'm back in the long, oh my God, it fucking, whoops. Trade of 8. Oh, you deselected my copy group. I forgot to check. I was just trying a little snap long there. Of course, it doesn't fucking deselect that one. Anyway, I was trying a little snap long there. It only copied one of my accounts. Fuck you, Trade of 8. Fuck you. I was trying a little snap long off the lows there. I was wondering why I lagged too. Oh, well, Seosin just put a new track out with Kobe. Whoa, sick. Bolsa is where you put your gold. Yeah, bolsa is a bag. Bolsa de carajo. Right? Bolsa de carajo. En el coño, puto. Right? Hijo de puta. Bolsa de huevos. Tengo un bolsa de huevos. Es muy grande, más grande que todos los bolsas. Bolsa de carajo doesn't mean anything, but okay. Come on, dude. What do you mean? How does that not mean anything? Let me see. Hold on. Let me ask. I'm going to do it in my Latin accent too. Let's see if you're wrong. Bolsa de carajo. What are you doing? Say it.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. Let me try this again. Bolsa de carajo.
Fucking muzzle.
Hey, there you go. There you go. It works. All right, it looks like we're trying to break these lows. Right, meow. I do have my copy group selected. We're trying to break these lows. We are. We've been trying to like work on these and finesse these lows for a little bit of time here. Apple's trying to bounce though. We are below this bucket of liquidity too. We're still trending to the down. Holy fucking shit, dude. Did you see that? Holy shit. We just popped some serious stops there. Holy shit balls. A lot of displacement there. And we are rejecting it. I'm currently long, trying to go for this rejection here. I'm trying to aim for this rejection. I'm trying to do the thing where we do anti-momentum. Anti-momentum. Seeing if we can repair this structure that we just created here. Ah, a report out of Iran. Hold on. That's not. Something straight up Hormuz toll. Okay, we are actually following or seeing momentum develop in this market here. Let's see if we can follow this momentum now. Given that the structure is a little bit weak, I'm watching on this bounce back up. That was the bounce we wanted to take there. Okay, watching this weaker structure. Let's see if we can target this below 315 now. Chances are, with the way that I've been trading this market, we're just going to get a bounce here instead of the one that we just tried to take. Let's see if we can get through 315 at all. Watching for a 315 fade. Seeing if we can crack those lows. Is this going to be the actual low now? The dead ass low? No, it's not. Okay, let's see if we can follow this momentum to the downside. Looking for 300s to trade here. We are through 70 spot 55 as well. Looking for this to follow much lower here. Trying to get this nailed through 300. I want to see a flush of 300s here. Following this down in our alpha accounts. Through. Covering some more there. Beautiful push at 300. I have 3 contracts left. We might have an early bounce here. Let's see. 4 contracts left. Sorry, 4 contracts left. Now 3. Now 2. Okay, push of 300s there was lovely, and we're stopping out. Okay, cool. There we go. Nice trade, Ripsy. Following that momentum. So wrong for the bounce idea first, and then following that momentum back to the downside there. Dare I say, I feel like we're in the pocket. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, 7050 in the S&Ps is the level to watch. We are straight through 300s now. Holy shit, we are fucking rolling. Making new lows here. That was a fast roll through 300. Watching on this bounce if we can target any more weakness in this market, perhaps. We did not reclaim 300. I'm going to continue shorting this until we reclaim 300. So we're back short again. Riding this to the downside. See if we have this cracking through 75 now. Hopefully we don't get crushed on this bounce. So getting this crack lower. Nice push down. I want to see, fuck. I was like, hopefully we don't get the bounce, the big old bounce that's going to fuck us. Let's see if we can stay. Yep, there's that weakness. I'm still targeting this weakness below 80s now. Beautiful push. Looking for us to hold this push lower.
Not the bounce, not the bounce. There we go. A little bit lower, a little bit lower, a little bit lower. Right there at our TP. No. Right there, 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 right there. Oh my God, it almost hit our TP. There we go. Hitting some of our TP. Beautiful, beautiful move to the downside there. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. All right, stop it out on the rest. That was way too much work for that little of profit there. We're starting to have a rejection of the trend to the downside, so we have to be patient and wait for there we go. Yeah. Good outs, Ripsy. Good outs, buddy. Good outs. I was worried about that move. That was the one I was trying to get out of the way of. Massive, massive bounce here. Big rejection of the trend to the downside. See if we hold above 300 here. This is where the market has been getting awfully tricky lately. So it's now pummeling these early shorts. I'm trying longs out of this to see if we can follow this continuation higher. We're valid above 300. It looks like we just did top ticket there. So we did have a big rejection and the follow through did stop. Watching to see if we hold above 300 here. Watching. This has been the areas of price that have been fucking me the worst. Have been these huge rejections and then no follow through on the rejections. So just trying to trade around this area here. We're holding at 300s, but it's still pretty heavy, pretty heavy. Rejecting at 300. Can we hold this rejection higher? Survey says. Right now, we're trying to push at 310s, and if we get that pop higher, then we can potentially hold above 300s, but right now it's just fighting around those 300s here. Cutting that trade. Unfortunate. Yeah, this is where the market's been really whooping my ass, is that I thought we had a very clean reversal there. Instead, it was a pitch and catch. Because we did have a negating the last headline that came out. Super frustrating to have that, actually. Super frustrating to have that. Okay, back to the trend here. Looking at 300s now. This is where things have been the hardest for me to trade. The very hardest for me to trade is right around these types of moves lately in this market. Because it feels like it can ricochet either side right here. Right now it's holding underneath 300s for the time being. It's currently holding underneath 300s, building some liquidity there. God damn it. Okay, let's see if that does reclaim 315 or not. I'm going to try this for a P and see if it doesn't reclaim 315. Okay, back in the shorts here, looking for 300s to stay weak. Looking for 300s to stay weak here. See if we can get those 300s to be weak. And we get that slam right back down. Nope. Not quite. I want this weakness at 300. I was trying to nail that pitch and catch under 315. This is where the market has continually fucked me this last 2 weeks, is that we run into this consolidation. We get one more fucking move before it goes. But let's see. Nope. Yeah, getting fucked. God damn it. Son of a bitch. Every fucking time in this market. Oh, well. It was a good run. Those are the moves that have been continually fucking me in this market. We get a reversal, I go long, I flip short, and then it fucks me. Every single fucking time. Every single fucking time. I think he's trading in his Percy. What the fuck are you talking about, trading in my Percy? Trading in my alpha eval accounts. Alpha evals, brother. It's always, dude, it's always been like, dude. Oh, God, it's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. We get a reversal, and then we go for the longs there, then we go for the shorts, and then we get fucked. It's just been the same fucking exact MO of the market. That's been that exact move that has fucked me over the last 2 weeks. Exact same move. God damn it. I was $2,000 away from passing those things, too. Fucking A. Ah! So frustrating. So very, very frustrating, dude. I hate it so much. I hate it! hate it. Market, I fucking hate you. It just, dude, this is where it has like the least amount of follow through and then it just fucks me up. Like there's no follow through. The fact that we didn't reject higher, like, dude, that was my trade to pass the account. All we needed to do was reject back up to here. That's where my target was right here. On this long, I was targeting up here. Like 350 makes sense. It stopped at 325 and immediately shit on us. And then we tried to follow the momentum to the downside and just went, fuck you. So it's just tough. These are the areas of price that I get fucked on the most. Like no continuation short, no continuation long, just shitty. Back to fucking square one in the alpha accounts. I was so fucking close. I was like $1,400 away from passing, dude. Literally like $1,400 away from passing. So frustrating. So frustrating. God. And check this out. Yes, I was absolutely rushing that at the end there. Absolutely rushing to get that across the line. 100% was rushing to get that across the line there. 100,000 million percent was literally rushing to get that across the line. 1 million trillion percent, brother. So frustrating. So, dude, it's just like, and I called it too. I was like, this is the time where the market fucks me instead of like, all right, so maybe you should stop trading. I'm like, no, I'm fucking right there to pass. Let me go. Fuck. God damn it. Fucking A. Son of a bitch. So infuriating, dude. Look at this dude. It's fucking doing the thing. Fuck you, 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 fuck you. It's got another leg down. See, the moment you say that, dude, and I'm not trolling on you specifically, I'm just saying this fucking market is so fucking tilting. I hate this market! I was right there. Right fucking there. Right fucking there, man. Fuck. This is why I hate fucking, dude. I hate these fucking, you can't pass in one day fucking bullshit. God damn it. This is, dude, this is the area of price to avoid. For you guys, don't fucking trade this shit. Do not trade this shit. Literally, don't trade that shit, bro. Literally. Do not fucking touch when the market goes like this. It's fucking impossible, bro. It's literally fucking impossible. This is so fucking tilting, bro. Unbelievably fucking tilting. I can't stand it. Makes me want to fucking punch a baby. God, it's like, and the market has your fucking name every single time. It's like the moment you go long, it dumps. The moment you try to follow momentum short, it flips right in your fucking face. It's like, it just fucking knows in these zones, dude. It just fucking knows. God, I was like, oh, I'm back in the pocket now. No, you're not. You suck dick. All right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Market humbled the shit out of me there. I was like, oh, I figured you out, market. Ah, ha, ha, ha. I'm only 1,000 away from passing. And the market's like, ha, ha, ha. Watch this, you dumb bitch. Fucking A, dude. All right, we're going to do the fucking dumbass long here. We are doing the dumbass long. Because we need 350, right? 350 is the line in the sand. That's the one that makes the most sense. 350 makes the most fucking sense to me. Right? I'm retarded, but 350 makes the most sense to me. Like, we should be juicing all the way up to 350 here. There's no way that we can fucking... Like, all those people who were short, you know what I mean? Like, why would we reward all those people that are short? You know? How could we possibly reward all these people who would be smartly shorting at that reflex? That would make way too much sense. We gotta fuck the people. You see? It's an obvious short, so let's go long. We're doing the reverse of the reverse of the reverse. It's an obvious short, so we go long. Like they're gonna fucking just rip it in their faces because it's so obvious to short from here, right? 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 Do not redeem! Do not redeem! Do not redeem! Yeah, see, look, they're trying. More people trying to short. They're gonna fuck them again. It's gonna fuck them again. It's just gonna keep fucking them. Fuck them in the face. Fuck them in the face. Everybody who's smart shorting right now. Yeah, get them. Get them. Get them right in the face. It's so smart to short from here. Like this is the most easy short of your life. So why would they not fuck all of these people first? That's the MO of the market lately. Do not redeem it. Do not redeem! 350! Do not redeem! Do not redeem! Do not redeem! 350! 350! 350! Do not redeem! Everybody's gonna short at 350, so they're gonna set it a little bit higher. Just a couple more points higher. Right? Right? Right! Just a few more points higher, right? God damn it. I wish I was joking about where my TP was. I really do wish I was joking about where my TP was. Just fucking redeem it. Redeem it. Redeem. Redeem. You son of a bitch. Why? Why do you make my life so difficult? Redeem! Oh my God, they're teasing me. They're edging me. They're edging me. Just fucking let me redeem it. Redeem. Let it redeem. Yeah, fucking redeem. Redeem. They redeemed it. They redeemed it. Thank you. Fuck. Whew. All right. Back to where we were when we started the day. Easy trade, by the way. All you do is reverse the reversal of the reversal. Right? Rhythmic Ripshon. Oh, man. Rips, you should have been a football coach. I played football. I had some great coaches in football. What a great song this is. The remix. What a fucking sick remix. Dude, it's so funny because it's like, you're gonna tell me that that wasn't like the most beautiful short area ever?
Like, brother, you're going to tell me this was not the most obvious area to short, and they're just like, Got to think like the market maker. I think they're going to do it again, too, because this is like another obvious area to short. They're just going to they're just going to go crazy. Keep past the lyrics of that song. It is do not redeem. Look at, they're getting shorts off sides right now. They're getting all of the shorts off sides. That's what they're doing. They're getting all of the shorts off sides because they're going to fucking rip this thing to the sky. Right? Every short getting right off sides. All right there. Oh, you want to short this thing, do you? You want to short this thing, do you? Well, you just wait. You just chill. Have we hit all-time highs? No. I'll wake you up when it does. Feels like a big old boner candle incoming. Yeah. I mean, after this fucking sell-off, how good does that guy feel up there that fucking took a fat shit on the market who's like, get me out of my 1,000 contracts. He just made himself an extra like few $1 million. To me, this seems like accumulation. I've been in a long and I'm holding. Feel like we should be going up. So you're telling me you've been in a long, but you haven't redeemed it? Is that what you're saying? You've been in a long this whole time and you haven't redeemed it yet? That's crazy. I guess if you're in a long, I do have some advice. Look at, I knew it. We knew it. Anybody take the long? Anybody else take that long? I literally said, there's no way that this thing is going to short. They're literally going to fuck everybody. Poe Rogan, or Pog Rogan. Dude, you have a fucking dope ass house. How did you get that house? You have the Hermes house. Oh, Patagrogan? Patagrodian. Long as fuck on that break of 360. Did you no scope 360? Pat O'Grogan. That's hilarious. That's amazing. Because it's like, do you like Joe Rogan? No, I like Poe Grogan. I like Poe Grogan. Joe Rogan's for suckers. I watch Poe Grogan. Or Pog Rogan. What position were you in football? What would you guess? What would you guess? I've said it before on stream, so somebody's probably gonna say it, but what would you guess? Water boy? Yes. Quarterback is close. Wide receiver, I'm not tall enough. Cornerback is very close. Not the quarterback either. Not the safety. We're getting close. Very close to running back. Fullback. Mascot. Hey, sir always got fullback. I used to bug motherfuckers. Fullback, baby. How big are you? Back then, in high school, I was like 190 or something. 6 foot, 190. That's pretty big for high school. 6 foot. I wasn't tall enough to be a wide receiver. You gotta be like 6'2" for that shit. Sure. You guys are funny. Boom 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 ba-dum ba-dum boom 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 boom.
I was 314 pounds in varsity football. That's, what were you, linebacker? Or no, you were a lineman. Or a center. 314, you could be a center. Be a good center at 314. Long 40 if we come back to it? I mean, I don't know, to be honest. This market has me in a little bit of a tizzy here. What tick setting do you use on Bookmap? 0.25. The most granular you can get. Would be cool if the creator on Kick could mute a chatter they think is annoying and consequently that made all the audio from rips muted for that viewer. Real life timeout. Yeah, I mean, that's weird though. I don't know. Who cares? Who's bothering you today? Market is bouncing at the highs. Yeah, I mean, dude, this market, I think I'm all done for the day. I think we hit max profit on Alpha because we didn't redeem it. We hit max profit on Funded Seat. Holy shit. Actually, Funded Seat. Snaps up for Funded Seat. Let's go, baby. I only have to make $4,500 in my Funded Seat to pass those bad doggers. Hey. So we're day 1 of 2 in both of these right now. And then they go to Funded. I'm excited. Wait, I think these are hold on. Fuck. So these are $12,000 profit target. I think these are 9,000. Let me just make sure. So many fucking accounts. I never remember. Yes, $9,000 target. Good comms. Great comms. Fantastic comms. And then we also hit max profit in our Tradeify Lightning funded accounts. Bang. Bang. And then in TPT, we hit a flip day. TPT flip day. Bang. Bang. EA Sports. It's in your vag. Tagged in along. Let's see if I get fucked. It's not looking so. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm the wrong person to ask, dude. I'm all done for the day. Much love, homie. Catch you later. All right, El Chuvasco. I'll see you at Globex. Prepare. See you at Globex. Globax. Did the unders finish? I don't know. Whatever happened to George Zimmer, the Men's Warehouse? Let's see, 10:06. You're gonna like the way you look, or I'll fuck your mom. Let's see. 337? Yeah, I'll say that's the unders. Let's do another one. Let's do 10:36. Let's do this. All right, good luck, everybody. Do you have your Bookmap settings available to see anywhere? What would you like to know? Turn off vertical smoothing and you're pretty much done. Look, here's what you probably are looking at. Okay, this is what yours looks like right now. A bag of shit mixed with bleh. You just turn off vertical smoothing and then bang. Wow, I look like Ripsy now. That's it. Really, that's it. That's it. That's all you got to do. Easy game, baby. Why is it the times I win, I'm so conservative? I could have had 100K points. Don't start thinking like that. Brother, that's how it works. Like, you go to the casino, you're betting like $100 hands of blackjack and you can't stop winning and you're like, fucking stupid. You start switching to $1,000, you play 3 spots at once, and then all of a sudden you're like, where'd my 50 grand go? Fuck. You're like, well, I won $800 to start. Where'd it all go? Fuck. Don't do it. Bankroll management. It's like, bro, it's like what I just did with my alpha accounts. I was $1,000 away from passing, and I'm like, this time of the day really fucks me. This is when the price really fucks me. I know what I'm gonna do. Full port. So dumb. I couldn't help myself. I was just like, just need a little fucking, just give me a little taste. God, just give me a little bit. Just give me a little fucking 4 points and I'm done. You know? That's what I did. I mean, I'm suffering through the consequences as we speak.
Yup, it's one of them days, player. It's just one of them days. It'll get you. It'll sneak up behind you and assault you. Just one of them days, brother. Do you have an FAQ page? I'm a live FAQ page. What's your question? What is it? Ribs, do you know how to play the flute? No, but I've heard your mother is a tremendous skin flute player. Me personally, I've never played the flute, no. You know, if I sucked cock, I'd probably like to play the flute. You know what I mean? Like if I sucked a lot of dicks, probably would love to play the flute. Just not my thing. Well, I fucked up 2 evals, passed 2 steps back, 1 step. It's fine. You're fine. You're fine. Bro, I blew my fucking alpha evals where they're $1,000 away from passing, brother. I know those feels. How much do you zoom out on your book map? Zooming in and out and I never see you touch yours. Brother, what do you mean? Like all day I'm touching mine. I'm touching it right now. No, but for real, like, I literally am doing this all day during the stream. Like literally, I'm just fucking zooming in and out. Carlos's mom plays tuba. Yes, she does. Love your honesty. Wait, is that in reference to me blowing an account or is that in reference to me talking about touching it? You may be on a delay over there in YouTube. What do you mean by that? Both. Oh, shit. What do you think of funded future family? Never used them. I have no opinion on them because I've never used them. Pass my lucid and funded, not trading anymore. Let's go, Camp. What was the trade today, baby? That joke is as old as the hills. Which one? I think you're on a huge delay here, brother. It just sucks when you can't afford more accounts. I'm a poor. Well, good news for you is I will give you a free account if you collect enough gamble channel points and pass the line on those things. All you have to do is tune in and watch and gamble your points well. Can't get much easier than that. Or don't gamble them at all and just hoard them. Blow my Apex account, I'm sorry. It's not an easy market. Listen, the market was very difficult today. There was multiple areas of chop that could have fucked you up, right? This was one of them. This was another one of them. But this was a nice clean move that we nailed. I tried to catch the bounce off this, immediately cut it, followed it short, did really well, and then got fucked in that area. Reloaded. Okay, I'm reloaded. And then we went straight up and I longed it. That was it. That was my trading day in a nutshell. That was me. How do you read this chart? I would have a hard 2-2 look for signals. It's just, you know, it's just different, man. It's just different. So glad I locked me out of Lucid Funded and Profit before this shit. Hey, let's go, Ernitos. Nolerman, 11 months. You're 1 month away from the Hermes house. Dude, it's so funny to me that, like, and this is not a dig at you, Joey, who just joined. No, like on Instagram, whenever I post like an Instagram short of me, like with the bookmap chart, like above my head like this, like my Instagram shorts are vertical, so they look like this. And like people will literally like, they're used to reading a chart right here where the price is right here, there's a line right here, and then the only difference is that there's no bubbles here, but there's lines and fucking numbers over here. And then people like will look at this chart and they'll be like, dude, what the fuck is that? Like it's like, holy shit, bro. Do you need like, oh my God, do we need this part on there? Oh shit. Oh my God, so much different. Like literally people on Instagram, dude, what the fuck is that thing? I can't even see the price. It's like, it's in the exact same price. Like it's the exact same area as the fucking charts that you read all day. I shit you not, on Instagram, bro. I'm not even kidding. Instagram, what the fuck is that chart? It's like, The price is in the same spot, bro. And it's like, if you just turn this on, they'd be like, oh God, oh my God, I can see it again. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can finally see that chart again. Oh, thank fuck. I can finally see the chart. What'd you do with the chart? Oh my God, I can't see it anymore. It's so ridiculous. I can't see it. Why'd you turn off your whole chart, bro? So fucking weird. Time for you know what I've been thinking about lately? I've been thinking about abandoning steak because I swear to God, I literally can't make a fucking dollar on steak. I'm thinking about going back to eat. How would you guys feel about that? And doing like the leaderboard back on Yeet, doing that whole thing again. I've been taking a break, right? You notice I haven't gambled this whole week. I've been taking a break from steak because I'm just like, brother, I don't know what it is. If like stake.com, maybe you can win, but like stake.us, brother, what the fuck is that shit? Do you know what I mean? I don't understand. Maybe it's like they have to turn down their RTP because of credit card processing fees or some shit. But I swear to God, I see stake.com people streaming and winning money. Or I'm just the unluckiest online slot gambler on planet Earth. I don't know, man. There's some interesting videos about steak on YouTube. Well, dude, can they just turn on my streamer account? Like, I don't give a fuck. You fucking pay me a lot of money. I'd love that. There's no streaming account. It's fucking annoying. Like, dude, I remember when I first started doing the thing on Thunderpick, there was like, you guys streamer account. And then I started to lose on that. And then I went over to Yeet. And then again, somebody was like, you guys streamer account. And then I just like, all of my luck just went, Wah! I want the streamer account back, man. Fuck. I want that guy back in chat. Fake money! Fake gamble! All you do is win! I want that guy back in chat so bad, dude. I want it so bad. Cashies, how's Yeet been lately? Has it actually, it's like, dude, stake.us just does not fucking pay, bro. It's awful. Like, bro, you guys want to see this? Like, I'm not joking. Look at this. Oh, God. It's like fucking horrible. Wait, that's the wrong thing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I gotta show you. It's like insane. Look at this. And I've been keeping it small too. These are my bonus hunts on stake. Wow, you made 60 cents. What the fuck is this? I think that was one of them. But look at this. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? The fuck is this? What the fuck? Just fucking like at some point you gotta be like, all right, it's not working. I don't know what it is, if it's credit card processing fees or something, but it's like I really like how fast it is. You know, like it loads fast and everything, and I'm like, hey, this is great. Nope. It sucks. It's awful. Fuck that place. Might be a bad hunter. Dude, I don't know. They told me to play only on stake games, and I did that. It didn't make any fucking difference. I guess Yeet is short for YouTube? No, Yeet.com. So what do I do? How do I win? I want to try Yeet again. I'm thinking about trying Yeet again. And like actually like putting more money on, you know? Dude, I just don't even remember what it's like to win more. Like, it's bad when you're gambling $650 a day, and then like you're excited when the slot pays you $90 after you've put $200 into it. You're like, oh, $90 back. Thanks for not fucking me. Like, I miss like fucking slamming it in with 5K bets and like hitting fucking 40K and shit. I miss that. How do I get more channel points on Kick? By watching and interacting and not spamming. The Yeet Y is gone? Huh? Oh, yeah, I removed it. I forgot about that. Yeah, from the emojis. Are you not playing online poker? I haven't played online poker, like, in serious online poker for fucking since Black Friday, bro. Literally. I tried playing WSOP out here because I live in Vegas, but... Bro, you're playing against fucking... I got bum hunted and I fucked those guys up, but then it's like, I don't want to play online. I'd rather play in person, dude. I live in Vegas. Greatest place in the world to play poker. Why would I waste my time playing online when I could go play in person, read people, and know that they're not like fucking scumming me? Oh, dude, and then Yeet has pragmatic. Stake.us doesn't have pragmatic. You know what I mean? Maybe we go back on Yeet, dude. Dude, I don't think I ever want to play on stake again. Like, I did the fucking gambler's fallacy thing, which is like, if you just keep going, you just keep going, you just keep going, you just keep going, like, it'll work. Nope, it doesn't. Like, I did it, dude. I fucking tried. It's fucking 2 months or whatever the fuck. It's like, dude, there's no money. There's no money coming back. What the fuck? You know? Have you ever used Apex Funded? Yes? What do you mean? Talking about? Yeet has Beekeeper, enough said. I know, right? I feel like, dude, and the no limit slots too. The no limit slots. When they give a deal to play with their money or raw? Raw plus theirs? Who? Stake? Stake is shiesty, bro. Stake is fucking shiesty. And I thought because we had a lot of US players in here, but like the thing is like, dude, who cares if we have a bunch of people US? Like, the site fucking sucks, and it does, like, it's not fun to gamble on something that doesn't pay out ever. It's like, you know, imagine you like pay $100 to go play paintball and they let you play for like 4 seconds. If I give them $100 to go play paintball, I want to play for like hours. You know, it's like the same thing. Put in $100 as a slot machine. If I'm entertained and I'm having fun, I don't care if over time I'm losing money. But it's like when you put in money every fucking day and it just robs you. What the fuck is the point? That's not fun. I'm not I'm not having fun. Like, at least give me one fucking win per month. Jesus Christ, what is that? One fucking win in 2 months? Nope. How about 0? I accidentally bought an account on Rhythmic and it might go to waste because I have no idea how to maneuver the trading site. Get Ninja Trader. Playing with their money and taking money from the like trading sims looks good to me. That'd be great. Amen, brother. Let's fucking go. I think it was amazing. Bonus hunts on Yeet was consistently break even, worst case. It felt like it. I don't know. Now that I've experienced stake.us, I'm going to have a whole different outlook. I don't know. Or I just stop online gambling. I don't know. It's been fun. I just don't like it's at some point you're like, oh, this is kind of a fucking stupid expensive hobby, you know what I mean? We'll see. I haven't decided yet. I'm just, you know, just yapping about it with you guys. Trade Flow says, yeah, I doubt you're gonna stop. Well, if anything, I'd move to IRL gambling because at least I know that those have certain RTP and I get nice player points for those. What did I even get up to on stake? What was I was like under platinum or something. What was I? 9.87% of the way to platinum. Dude, the kickback they gave me was like $200 one day. $200. I was like, thanks. Dude, Dice was a fucking scam. I couldn't beat Dice. You know it's bad when the online casino scams you out of the Dice game. At least if you play in real casinos, you can earn enough points to not have to self-park. See, here's the thing, Johnny. I've never met anybody in self-park before. The people you hang out with, Johnny, are the self-parkers. Why are you always lurking, by the way? Why don't you just, like, say something? Announce your presence. I miss you. You bought drugs in a self-park once? What was it? Molly or cocaine? What's up, doctor? How are you? Ninja Trader support sucks. Damn offshore Hindu clowns. Okay, how do you really feel about it? Weed before it was legal, of course. Damn, son. Rips, you feel like things like working out and nutrition have some influence? Yes, 100%. I have a whole short or a long form content about that. Discipline carries over in every aspect of life. Every aspect of life, discipline carries over. If you're not a disciplined person, it's hard to be disciplined in your trading. You know? I'm huge on discipline. My wife thinks I'm like fucking crazy. I reloaded a $60 flex, 25K lucid 3 times a day. Pretty gay. Damn. John D says, you are crazy. A lot of my friends think that I'm crazy with my discipline. I don't give a fuck. There's no other way I want to live. I love living a disciplined life. I really do. I think it's fine. Dude, you guys really like this Instagram reel, huh? I thought it was fucking cheesy. Whatever. My content team pushes this shit out and you guys love it. Fine by me. Wait, hold on. We have hidden comments. No, nobody's being mean. That's weird. Is traffic still down at the Wynn because they were hacked? What? No, what the fuck? Traffic was never down at the Wynn, bro. Anybody who says Las Vegas is dead is retarded. They're like, and I'm not saying you're retarded, but I'm just saying like all the news media and everything, like Las Vegas attendance like dipped by like 6%. Good luck seeing a 6% effect in reality. 6% is like, you can't tell in a crowd like, oh, there must be 6% of people missing here. Vegas is definitely not the best place for poker. That's where all the pros live. The best games are in Vegas, dude. Well, I mean, they used to be in LA and then Macau. But no, there's great private games in Vegas. If you play private games, you can play with very wealthy, inexperienced businessmen. Are there any raffles for any Lucid accounts? Probably during Globex tonight, yes. Wait, did we do the points gamble yet? There's amazing games in Miami. Dude, I would fucking love those because I play against all the broccoli-haired retards out there. Dude, like, how do you be like, I want, like, my hand is busting and I want, like, more money in there? That's called a raise? Okay. I raise on God. All right, what is it? Overs or unders? $372. That's the overs. Bang. Surely we do one more. Okay. Twist my arm, why don't you? Chandi, what song or what does this song make you think of? Specifically who? Yeah. Dude, exactly. The broccoli-haired retards would be like the actors in Ocean's 11. Look, everyone, all red. All red. You know, I played with the guy who actually hosted that game. The guy who hosted Molly's game, Darren Feinstein. He's in the book. Ripsy, you need to make the prediction shorter, like 3 minutes. I can't control it, brother. What is your lifetime earnings loss on stake? How do I check? Oh God, I don't even want, dude, you know what? No, I have better things to do than be depressed about that. Let's just go with like, I don't know, probably 20 grand. Fucking who knows, man. Yeah, I'm not gonna look at that. Let's just say 20 grand. Who cares? 20 grand. 2 months, 20 grand. Who cares? I'm not gonna look at that shit though. No, thank you. If it's under 20 grand, I'm happy. I've been doing it for 2 months, bro. 2 months. I did once. Nope, not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Wait, what is the book? Do you have a book? No, I'm talking about Molly's game. Molly's game. You can show us without looking. I'm not gonna do it. Not gonna do it, man. I don't even want to see it. I don't even want to look, dude. Do not want to fucking look. FanDuel Casino? I haven't tried Shuffle. I haven't tried Roobet. Isn't Roobet just stake though, under a different name? I'm pretty sure Eddie owns Roobet as well. Rainbet I did like 2 streams on, and then I gave up. There's another company that wants me to do something with them called PackDraw. PackDraw has been dying to get me. I think they want me to do fucking. They want me to spin these PackDraw things on stream. So Rollbit I've never done before. Shuffle I've never done. I get emails every single day from casinos and fucking gambling sites. PackDraw. Yeah, the PackDraw one is like, you can open up a Rolex or like a Lamborghini and all sorts of crazy shit. PackDraw is whack. Is it? I don't know. I've never done it before. Ribs, I'm looking to save 6 months of living expense. Let me see. 6 months of living expenses from trading profits before going full-time. Do you think that's sufficient? No. No shot. No. Nope. I think realistically, if you want to be a full-time trader, you need 2 years. Realistically, 2 years. If you're you're talking about like quitting your job, I would say 2 years of whatever your yearly salary is pre-tax. So if you make 100 grand a year, you should have 200K in savings in cash and put it in T-bills. It's the same as cash, but you actually get a nice yield on it. Is this the White Lotus soundtrack? Yes. Quitting my job? Yeah, dude. 2 years. 2 years. Pre-tax income. You make 100K a year, 200K in T-bills, locked up. Bang. Duel sounds interesting. Oh yeah, that guy. I forgot about Duel. There's a lot of them. I don't know if Duel's reached out to me. I like, dude, there's like an email folder I have for gambling deals and people that have reached out to me. Cause like when I go live in gambling, I'm literally like the top first row in gambling. So everybody wants Ripsy. We need to get back on Yeet. I feel like I was a winner there. I'm a certified loser on stake. Dude, fucking stake is, you're a loser. I'm a loser, brother. I just kept waiting for it to turn around and like, it just never fucking turned around, bro. Ever. Like, fuck. Like, it's so fucking annoying, man. It makes me so mad. Like, Jesus Christ. Like, I kept on waiting. I'm like, oh, 50,000 X max win. I'm going to get one of those. I have to, right? It's a joke, bro. It's a fucking joke. There's like no shot. Like, I'm just like, who wins? Not me. Ain't me. At least on Yeet, I was winning. Like some days I'd be like, holy shit. I was going crazy on Yeet for a little bit. There was a time where I had no chill. Remember I was like coin flipping for 5K, 10K? Holy shit. Dude, I was coin flipping for like fucking, didn't I do like a coin flip for 10K one day? Or like a limbo for 10K? That was fucking, I had no fear back then. I was like, I'm always gonna win this shit. Let's run it back. I'm thinking about it. We'll see. My code still works there, so we'll see. I haven't made up my mind yet. I haven't made a decision yet. We'll see. I'm in no rush, dude. I needed a break from gambling anyway. Yeet had the most entertainment value. Yeah, dude, the no limit slots and the pragmatic slots. I kind of miss pragmatic slots of them. Like, I'm being serious. I do miss pragmatic slots. I miss bees.
Dude, me and bees, love-hate relationship. I fucking love bees, though. Bees fucking... They have the sweetest of honey. What's up, Oppie? Remember when Pragmatic was the shit? Now Stake just sucks shit. Yeah, I mean, dude... I feel like maybe on stake.com I would have done better because there's no credit card processing fees or whatever. I don't know what they're trying. I don't know, man. Maybe there's just not enough players on Stake US. I don't know, dude. I've never played on stake.com either. That's the thing. I've never played on stake.com. That was like my next move. I was thinking about doing stake.com and I was like, whatever. Fucking over it. 14-5 so far since the open. Kind of tough price action. One runner took out the two losses. I'm sorry, man. I appreciate you sticking around, Richard. Which one rips? Alpha 0, advanced. Those are the ones I trust. Dude, we are right back to where we fucking opened at. Holy fuck. Brother, what? I knew the longs were gonna work. Time to blindly long again? Yeah, back down here. Back down here, brother. Ooh. I was panicking about to take the day off work for what? What were you panicking about? Microsoft Option is finally back? Microsoft Option? Huh? Wait, what are we talking about? What are you saying? I have no idea what you're talking about. Been busy scalping the open. Good luck. Rip, I struggle pulling the trigger and having confidence in my trades. What would you say is the best thing for me to work on? Literally trade one single micro. One micro solves everything. I had somebody that reached out to me in my DMs 6 weeks ago. They messaged me back and they're like, I did exactly what you said with the one micro thing, and they're like taking payouts now. So my option was losing. My bad. I'm on my phone. I mean, options, brother, do whatever you want, but most people who trade options are gonna be getting smoked. Take care, Vito. I'll see you tomorrow or tonight for Globex, brother. Oh, I have time to work out. I have a meeting at 9:30. It's 7:47. I think I'd go work out right now, actually. I think I'm gonna work out, champs. I think I'm gonna work out, go get some gym time in, and then I got a meeting at 9:30, and then I'll be back for Globex at 5 p.m. Eastern time, or 6 p.m. Eastern. When does your Traders and Haters podcast? Well, I don't fucking know. It's not up to me. I'm gonna try to have Big Max on the stream, Big Daddy Max on the stream next week. My Apex 50K accounts got locked out at 2,000 profit. I need $30 to pass 5 evals, but it rejects my order. I have no idea, broski. Never heard of that. Oh, I can't leave. We have a bet? You're right. It ends in 8 minutes. I'll leave in 8 minutes then. You're right. Yeah, he's hilarious. Just passed 2 new Rapid accounts. Let's go. Pat, nice work. Let's go, baby. Probably overs if you want to hit the shoulders. I'm doing arms today, actually. Shoulders I did on Tuesday. Today's Thursday. Yeah, arms today. You're welcome, Luck Max. Love you, pal. Been watching BDM morning show for the last year. I'm only on my 3rd day watching you rips now that I'm trying to trade order flow. Hey, thanks for being here, man. I appreciate you. Don't be a stranger. We got a great community. Very supportive community. Is your back feeling better? Yes. Thank you for asking. Much better, dude. Been following Max on IG. I love his reaction vids. Yeah, a lot of people do. He's hilarious. I think he's great. I'm gonna try to get him on the show next week. We'll see if schedules align. So glad you're over the trip. Dude, that was fucking terrible.
Dude, it hurts so bad. Like, I don't mind throwing up, but like when you're involuntarily, anyway, when you're vomiting out of your control so hard that it fucking tweaks your back, that's not a fun time. Do I play golf? I wouldn't call it playing golf. I hit the ball, and I need to bring about 18 balls with me in order to play a round. I'm the worst golfer you'll ever meet in your life. If you ever want to feel good about your golf game, go golfing with me. I will probably give up by the third tee. Yeah, whack fuck, exactly. I fucking hate golf. I'd rather play tennis. Even though the last time I played tennis, I was like, what the fuck happened to my tennis game? It's what happens when you don't play tennis. Dude, I used to play tennis every single day when I lived in Puerto Rico. Every fucking day, 4 days a week, 5 days a week with a pro. And then the other days I'd play with friends, like collegiate tennis players. And dude, I loved it. I was in amazing tennis shape. How do you read this book map chart? It just shows you the liquidity. I'm almost done for the stream. Come tomorrow and we'll go over it. You're coming at the tail end of a 3-hour session here. I'm very tired. Did you catch more upside? Yes. Fed's Mirren is very dovish and he's yapping right now. Has anybody ever had a Togo's sandwich before? Somebody's telling me Togo's is like the shit. Is that true? You work at a tennis golf academy, so it helps keep the game short. Yeah. I'm just not a fan of golf. I've done lessons. I've had clubs fitted for me. Tennis journey. I played in high school. I didn't play in college. Played in high school, and then I played a shit ton just with friends and shit. But I had a gnarly tennis coach when I lived in Puerto Rico because there's fucking nothing to do. There's no Quiznos. When you're broke, yes, really? We start streaming. It's right here, 8 o'clock in the morning and 6 p.m. I'll be on Globex tonight if you want to stick around for that. How'd you find the stream? Curious. How do you know when these Fed guys are yapping? Because there's a schedule that I release every single morning that goes live on propfirms.gg. Top right corner of your screen, propfirms.gg. Just popped up on my YouTube. Well, thanks for being here. Don't be a stranger. Subscribe and just tune in. I go live twice a day, every single day, Monday through Friday. Sundays, I go live at 6 p.m. Where can I find the Globex stream? Sorry for asking too many questions. No such thing. No such thing. It's the same place you're watching right now, but it goes live at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Eastern Time. 3 p.m. Pacific. 5 p.m. Central. Best Reuben sandwich in the world is the Corona Del Mar Village. Nice. If you play golf, you're a boring person. I mean, dude, it looks nice, but I can just not get through the frustration of being so bad at golf. I don't like doing things I'm terrible at, and I'm not going to sit here and pretend like, oh, yeah, I can figure out golf. No, I'm terrible. Goddamn awful. Worst golfer ever. Golf is fucking sick. Yeah, see, I'm jealous of the people who can enjoy golf. I don't think I could ever be a person who enjoys golf. I'm just being honest with you. I could never be a dude that enjoys golf. I fucking hate golf. But I'm jealous of the people who can enjoy it. You know? Do you expect the market to have cleaner moves anytime soon? I mean, to be honest, there was multiple moves that were clean, right? This short was pretty clean. If you were trying to long rejection here, which we did, we shorted it, or we were longing here, and I flipped short immediately, and we got all the points we needed. And then the same thing was when I finally got fucked on here. That was a nice clean move there. Is it going to get clearer soon? We have to wait for the war to be over. Hopefully the war ends soon. We'll see. Just drink more. I don't drink at all. I haven't drank in 9 years now. 9 years. I kept getting stopped on break even on that move. You have to have larger stops in this market. For real. Imagine if you took one contract down here right? Down here, if you took one contract, you could have a wide enough stop that you could have withstood this whole thing and still be holding. Just saying. Last drink was in Vegas at DEF CON 5 years ago. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Market's not easy, guys. Don't think I'm saying like the market's easy, but there are moves. You're kidding yourself if you don't think there are moves. Of course there's moves. What's up, Mr. Ribs? What part of Puerto Rico? I'm from San Juan. I lived in Dorado Beach at the Ritz with all the other gringos. This short is trade 17 now. Good luck, Richard. Looks like you got it. There you go. Hit your TP, buddy. Nice work. Congrats. Bing bong. Aren't you, isn't your target 58 or are you short from 58? Overs win? Not yet. Oh, or do they? Let me see. 397. Wow. Just barely. Okay. Overs win. All right, everybody. I'm out of here. I'll be back at 6 p.m. Eastern tonight for the Globex stream. I hope y'all have a great and lovely trading day. Be safe out there. Stay good. Stay cool. Stay frosty. Have a good one, guys. See ya. Bye. See ya.